guys, it's Becket from Adventures with Becket and Xena. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So today we're going to talk about my my top 3 luxury items. These are things that I don't really need while I'm out on the trail, but I bring anyways, just to be a little more comfortable. So it is March. It's getting into the pluses, plus 9 degrees Celsius right now. Snow is starting to melt, so hiking season's coming. I think probably next month I'm going to do an overnighter at the beginning of April, and then maybe a couple more nights near the end of April. You know, a couple 2-nighters. You know. And now, so let's get on to what I like to bring for my luxury items. Okay, Xena. Yeah, Alright, first of all, my Thermarest pillow, compressible pillow. Have to bring this one. It's like having a real pillow, the kind you use at home. It's so fluffy, and it rolls up and compresses nicely. It's fairly lightweight. Don't know exactly what the weight is, but it compresses up, full on there. So yeah, I used to use a stuff sack full of all my clothes, but that was just too lumpy. I cannot sleep like that. So I started bringing this. Oh, it's getting quite warm out. Get rid of the jacket. Like I said, spring is here. Okay, so next on the list, power bank. I don't really need it, but I bring this because I have to charge my phone to make these videos, and while I'm out there. And this is the Blue Hive 20, oh, I can't remember. I think it was 2100. Can't remember the exact specs on this, but I'll look it up when I get home. I'll put a subtitle on here of it. But yeah, I bring this to charge my phone. I get a lot of charges out of here. Could be out there for a week and still come home with a fully charged phone. For the third one, my ass pad. Gotta have this. It's the Thermarest Z seat, and just place it down on a log or wherever I'm sitting. It's got a lot of great uses for it. You can use it sitting down along a hike, and then at camp I put it down on a log that I'm sitting on at camp, and I also put it down around the middle under my air pad at night, around the middle, so it helps my hips. There's a little more cushion there. Also for going in and out of the tent to kneel on. As I'm getting in and out of the tent, just kneel on that, just like that. See, you're gonna keep getting in the way. Okay, over here, Xena. She wants to be in the movie too. Another good use, windscreen when I'm got my stove going. And another thing is for the fire, fanning the fire. I will always like to use it to help fan the fire. Yeah, and that's my third. So that's it for my luxury items. Actually, I have a bonus one here too. The fourth one. I don't really need this, or this one's kind of overkill, but my knife. This is, it's quite the knife. It's the Outbound knife. I got this thing, it's like regular 30 bucks. Got it for $10 on sale. Actually, sorry, $9. So can't go wrong with that. It's a decent knife. It's got a full tang, so I love it. It works great. Anyways, those are my luxury items. So let me know what your luxury items are. Just drop them down in the comments. As I was saying, spring is here. And I'm so excited to be getting out on the trail soon. Can't wait. Yeah, I think, like I said, about a month from now, maybe a little less, I'm gonna go out. I think most of you know, anybody that knows me knows how much I love Sleeping Giant Provincial Park. It's right across the bay from my hometown. So I'm actually gonna go, when I go out there this time though, I'm gonna go into kind of explore this area that I've never been to out there before. Check it out. Hike Middlebrom Bay Trail and Finlay Bay Trail, and there's a camp at the end of the hike. Goes Middlebrom Bay Trail, where that ends. Finlay Bay Trail starts. At the end of Finlay Bay Trail is supposed to be a campsite in this nice bay area, and That might be nice. Somewhere different out there. Yeah. I think in June we'll do, starting next month we'll start doing a few, just 1 night, 2 nights. And then come June, I think we'll go for our big long one out there. Maybe like a week or 2 out there. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.